Diamond shapes in quilting can be a lot of fun, and you can do a lot of creative things with them. I'm going to show you how to cut your own diamonds out of a jelly roll strip or a 2.5-inch strip of fabric, and a quick little rule to remember when piecing these together. So first, here is a jelly roll strip for you. If you can see on my ruler, there is a 45-degree line all across that ruler. I'm going to lay that line at the base of the fabric here, and I'm going to make this cut right here, which is a 45-degree cut. So now at this point, it's very simple. I'm going to turn it this way. Because this jelly roll strip is 2.5 inches wide, I know that I can use my ruler and set it at 2.5 inches. So I'm right here, that's 2.5 inches, and I make the cut. That, my friends, is a beautiful diamond shape. And as long as I keep going at 2.5 inches, I can keep making perfect diamond shapes. It's very simple to do, okay? And you can make, like I said, beautiful things. Look at these shapes that I've made, a giant diamond, the arrowhead figure, and even a beautiful star shape. But here's an important thing to remember. When you stitch two diamonds together, I want to first pretend it's the arrow shape, like this. If I took and folded right sides together, like this, and I end up with just a mirror image, I have completely covered this other image. That's a mirror image. That's easy. Just stitch your 1/4-inch seam line and you're done. Now, on the other hand, if you were stitching two diamonds like this, that when you did fold them right sides together, that's not a mirror image. I mean, this is hanging off here and this is hanging off of there. This is important to know. When you're not doing a mirror image, you need to offset your top fabric by 1/4 inch. Now you may be able to see there's a little dog ear sticking out here, and there's going to be one up there too. That's very important. Stitch now at 1/4 inch, and when you open that up, those will be joined together beautifully. So mirror image, simple, just stitching. If it's not a mirror image, offset it by 1/4 inch, and you'll have a beautiful result. Try the diamonds. I really love playing with them. I think they're beautiful. Happy sewing.